This is what I call a 10-minute Cháo, so a 10-minute congee, right? We're just make it quick, easy, the same ingredients, but I'm gonna blitz it and make it quick for you guys. So hey, like if you're not feeling good one day, this is a really quick shortcut.
Hi, I'm Cindy and welcome to our new YouTube channel, Cindy and Petty. We are starting with a new series called Cooking with Chef, where we'll be featuring a lot of local chefs. They'll be teaching us how to make their specialty dishes because I'm an amateur cook and I'm not very confident in the kitchen, so we're excited to be learning with them. In the kitchen today, we have Chef Josey. Josey, can you introduce yourself?
Hey guys, my name is Josey. I am the owner-operator of Bun Bo Hue Kitchen. We started as home cook, pop-up catering service right outside of our house about 3.5 years ago. We've moved into brick and mortar about 4 months ago. It's been rocking. So yeah, I started my career in the restaurant industry at a very young age. I knew that I wanted to stay in the industry since I was about 19 years old. So here I am now, sometime later with my first brick and mortar, but thanks for having me, guys.
Yeah, we're excited to have you. So Josey, tell us what we're making today.
Okay, so this is what I call a 10-minute Cháo, so a 10-minute congee, right? So instead of waiting the whole hour or some change, waiting for the rice grains to kind of pop and get all starchy, we're just make it quick, easy, the same ingredients, but I'm gonna blitz it and make it quick for you guys. So hey, like if you're not feeling good one day, not feeling good because you're hungover or whatever the reason is, your kid's sick, this is a really quick shortcut. So
awesome.
Yeah.
We love shortcuts. And if you love shortcuts as much as we do, then make sure to like and subscribe and follow the channel.
Yes. Okay, so I am doing ground pork. Let's just start with the protein. We just did ground pork just because, I mean, we love ground pork. Obviously, you can use any type of protein you want. It doesn't necessarily have to be ground. I just think that it's easier to kind of cook, it's quicker, and it's easier to take in, especially if this is something that you're gonna be eating when you're a little bit sick, right? So ground pork, ground chicken, ground beef, shrimp, mushrooms, whatever you want. Okay, so toppings wise, we are going scallions, cilantro, fried onions and garlic, and then Mama's fried onion and garlic, all the way from California, right?
Yes. She made sure to ship those to me.
Very Asian of us. I love it. You know it's good. I've got a little bit of MSG, which is what I call razzle dazzle because it really makes everything great. We have kosher salt, whatever salt that you'd like to use, a little bit of white pepper, canola oil, oil of your choice again. I have one type of ginger done 2 types of ways. I did it 2 different ways because I typically don't like ginger in my congee. So I'm gonna put the big chunks in the congee so I can fish it out, and we can top it off with ginger as well.
I'm the same way. I love the taste of ginger, but I don't like eating
it and biting into it. Yeah, exactly. So, all right, so you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so it's gonna be a simple saute. You go a little bit of oil. So we really don't need a ton of protein. Just a little bit is fine.
So I made about 3 cups of rice in this pot, so we'll use however much you need.
Pork already has a lot of fat in it, so we don't have to do the oil. It just kind of depends. It just makes things a little bit quicker.
How did you come up with this hack or shortcut?
It's actually my mom's hack.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she was like, I was telling her I was making congee. She's like, why are you taking forever to make congee? And she was like, this is what you need to do. And I tried it. I was like, no, it's not gonna work. I tried it. I was like, oh my God, Mom's right again. So you just saute it really quick. You throw a little bit of salt in it. At this point, you can throw your ginger in it if you decide to, right? So like I can do the ginger right here, right? Throw another piece in there because I like a lot of aromatics. And then we'll kind of put it on, cook it halfway, turn it off.
And you're cooking on high heat?
Yes, cooking at like a high heat. Making it, like I said, this is supposed to be really quick, intentionally quick. And then we can move on to the blitz.
Okay.
Mince it up a little bit, make it nice and small. Okay. So about 2 cups of rice. All right, pour the water in. So you want to fill the water up until it's a very comfortable spot, like just right around there. Yep.
Okay.
Let's just say right above the water.
Right, like
right above the rice. You're in a really good place right now.
Okay.
And then lid on.
You're good.
Okay, cool. Really quick flips. Doesn't have to be that long. Let me see. So you want the grinds. So basically what you're doing here is breaking the grains.
Okay.
And that'll help with speeding it up.
Okay.
Right? So really just working with the, yeah, perfect.
Sorry,
Let's
Lexi.
take a look.
Lexi doesn't like blending noises.
Okay, so we're gonna turn it back on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you can go ahead and toss it in here. All the way, all of the way in, all of it in. Dump it all in there. Okay, we don't taste rice. There we go. Good place. Obviously, you have to wait for this to boil up. Good. I like my congees thick. This is a lot of meat, but I like my congees a little bit thicker, so you can keep it like this. You're gonna add water if you want a little bit thinner. This will thicken, so just add water as you need. Give it, like I said, about 10 minutes, and you'll be good to go.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Do you need a lid for it? Should we cover
No,
it?
no covering. You're good. So I'm gonna put this here for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and season it now the way I like it.
Okay.
So I like some salt. Heavy salt, of course, because it's just rice right now. And then we'll do a little bit of MSG, just a touch. It looks right now, I kind of would like to add a little bit of water. Like I said, it's gonna be thicker, so we can do that, Cindy, and then just kind of go from there.
You tell me when.
Right, keep going. All right, good. This will thicken up really nicely. Super easy technique. Yeah.
This is gonna be great, especially for flu season coming up. I love to have porridge and congee when I'm feeling sick, so
Right.
I appreciate this.
Yeah, good.
So I've been seeing so many like people be posting about your new brick and mortar spot. What would you say is like some of the challenges, but also like some fun moments about just like making that transition from going from pop-up and then opening a brick and mortar?
It's been so much fun, and we're so blessed, super grateful. I mean, it took a lot of literally blood, sweat, and tears to get here, a lot of sacrifices. I mean, we intentionally started this from the absolute bottom up, just because I've always been in restaurants, but I've always been front of house. So moving into back of house was a new experience for me, and I really had to like absorb and embrace everything. But challenges wise, I can run service all day, but when it comes to employees, you know, you gotta make sure that you know, you understand that, you know, this is how people, they support their families, you know what I mean? So it gives you a different sense of responsibility and pride, which is something that, of course, I've learned to embrace as well because I love people. But we had to do a complete 180, and it's so much fun. It's so much fun. We have so much fun there, and I think that shows in food. It really does, like the love and the care for not just your guests, but also your employees. That's super important, you know?
Every chef has like their own style. What would you say your style is, and like where do you get a lot of your like influence for your cooking?
So I'm gonna turn this down a little bit because you want it to be at like a really low simmer.
Otherwise, it'll like burn the bottom.
Yeah, you don't want to burn the bottom. So actually, I remember the first dish that I learned how to make. It was I was 8 years old. You know, my parents, they worked a lot, so I had older siblings, and you know, my sister, she's like, you know, this is how you make fried rice. And so she would scramble up an egg in a bowl, put rice on top of it, put butter in a pan, and throw the bowl in there, and that was it, you know what I mean? So I didn't really have, I'm not saying I didn't have a lot of interest in cooking growing up. I mean, it's just kind of something, I would say something that we did, but you know, in a sense, yeah, like we were in the kitchen with our mom and whatnot. When I really actually fell in love with cooking actually is with my in-laws.
Ah.
So when I moved in with my in-laws, my husband loves to eat and he loves his mom's cooking. And actually his mom was very, like she was terminally ill for a very long time. It was like a slow roll. And so I was like, one day she won't be here.
Yeah.
So I started to like learn recipes from her, even small techniques like, you know, how to break down ramon, like things like that, you know, how to cook it, things like that I learned. And then from there on out, that's when I really fell in love with cooking. So not a lot of people know this, and I like to share as well, is that Bun Bo Hue, the recipe at our restaurant, is an amped up version of his mother's recipe. So before she passed away, I learned Bun Bo Hue, which is his favorite soup. It is the most complicated soup.
Yes.
And I remember it bringing everyone together, and the pot would be gone like that. So it's super, super special to us.
For our viewers that don't know what Bun Bo Hue is, how would you describe Bun Bo Hue?
Okay, so hold on, I'm making a mess here.
Here, I'll grab it all.
Sorry, Mom. I think we're in a good place. This is solid. It wasn't even 10 minutes. This is all you want. I was talking too much. All right, cool, but we're in a good place.
It was really fast.
Really, 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 really quick. This is how you cheat Cháo Congee, guys. I've shown you the way. So this is the easiest way. Everyone has a Vitamix, a blender, a Ninja. Oh wait, what do you call those things? A Ninja.
Yeah, the Ninja blenders.
The bullets. Everyone has those to mix their protein shakes. You guys have it. This is it. I mean, I like it thick. After that, if you want to plate it, we can. You want to put this on top here. How do you want to do it?
I'll grab you a bowl.
And we need a ladle.
Yes.
So here we go. This could go for a little longer if you guys want it. It's up to you. I like mine thick. And then some people like, let's just start with the cilantro, right? Mm-hmm. And then a little bit of this.
The green onions. Was that
the green onions, yeah. And then a little bit of the ginger if you want ginger in it. This on top, right? And then just a pinch of white pepper. I am a white pepper lover.
Yes.
So this is what I use for everything. So here you go, Mom. You want to put it in the middle?
Yeah. Would you recommend fish sauce or anything?
Okay, yeah. So like I said, this is not like necessarily just a recipe. It's like however way you want to do it. So there are people like who eat it with soy sauce. You can put soy sauce, you can put fish sauce, you can vinegar, whatever you like to eat with it. This is just an easy base for you to get started. Mm-hmm. Make it your own. Sriracha, chili oil, the works.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Sriracha's a good idea too.
Yeah, sriracha, chili oil, the works, whatever you want.
Should we taste it? All right. Should I mix?
Yeah, whatever. Right up the top too. This is really hot, like really, really hot.
Oh yeah. Pete's very sensitive to heat, so
yeah,
might need a little time.
Solid. Solid. Solid.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hot but good.
Huh?
Yeah, that's another thing. Like, I think growing up, I'm always used to eating things scorching hot because my parents always like, you need to eat it hot.
Yeah.
But Peter likes things
right,
more
right,
like lukewarm.
Other restaurant people are like, it's not hot enough. I'm like, I try. And then some people, there was actually someone that said last week, she's like, oh, your soup's way too hot. I'm like, oh, that's great. That's good. Good. I'm glad.
Sorry, circling back to the Bun Bo Hue dish. Can you?
Oh yeah.
How would you best describe it?
Oh yeah, I totally forgot we were doing that. I haven't eaten all day. So Bun Bo Hue is an amped up version of pho, is what I like to call it. So people like, I've heard someone say like, oh, the sexy cousin of pho, which I kind of like as well. So it is still rice noodles, but is a cylinder rice noodle, a round rice noodle. And then the broth consists of both pork and beef, and a little bit of shrimp paste, which brings in a little bit more umami punch.
Yes.
A lot of lemongrass, galangal notes, a lot of onions, garlic. So it's really like, it's not something necessarily that you need to dress up as much as pho, because a lot of people typically when they think of pho, they think of hoisin sauce, they think of sriracha, they think of, you know, all these other sauces which are great, you know. But Bun Bo Hue, it just hits you, you know. So it's not for everyone, but it's actually diving in to the world of Vietnamese soups, you know? What else is there?
Thank you.
I'm gonna keep going on here. Is it good?
Here we go, Jordan.
Yeah.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's all good.
You might need to blow this a little bit.
It's a little thick, but it's okay.
Here we go. Josey, thank you so much for being our first special guest chef on our new series. We're so excited to have you, and we hope that you had a lot of fun with us too.
Yeah, it was fun. Like leading up to it, I was like, oh my god, I've never done anything like this before. But thank you for having me. Thank you for welcoming me to your beautiful home.
For our local viewers,
Yeah.
can you tell people where to find you, where to follow you if they want to keep following your journey?
Yes. Okay. So our Instagram and Facebook is BBH Kitchen. On Facebook, you can also find us as Bun Bo Hue Kitchen. BBH Kitchen just gets you to the site. Our address is 3640 Satellite Boulevard, Suite 4C, Duluth, Georgia 30096. And then yeah, we're here in Duluth, Gwinnett. I mean, just type in Bun Bo Hue and we're there.
Yep.
Yeah.
She's like always on the first page of Google search, so
Oh,
you'll easily find her.
Love that.
Well, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. We hope that you enjoyed our first episode of our new series. And if you like this kind of content, make sure to let us know in the comments. Give Josey a shout out. Let us know what you think of her shortcut on Congee. And we hope to see you guys in the next one. So make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye guys. I hope this helps.